dirty. It's super dirty. I'm gonna wash it outside, just given how bad the brakes are. I don't wanna get my floor that dirty. So we're doing a heavy correction. I've seen worse, obviously. The 4Runner is probably in worse shape. Look at it now, looks really good. Okay, good morning. Today's Monday, it's MLK Day. I'm off work, markets are closed. So it's a good day to get some progress done on the M2. All right, passenger side. So I've been correcting, and the refinement step is what you're seeing on the car now. One pass with the Melee. I haven't used the Melee in, I can't know, in maybe like 8 months.
My doggy says this is too high for her to climb.
Oh.
It needs to be lower. So I have to lower this down a little bit.
How do you lower it?
I don't know.
With this. Ready?
Whoa.
You gotta do all of them.
Oh, what?
Yeah, see, there's multiple. Huh?
Take it. Step. And snap. And snap. Ta-da! See, it cannot come back. I will be right back, guys.
All right, Wednesday night, I want to get this bumper done. So this is a rotary machine, lamb's wool. This is what you get, all right? So these are called holograms, all right? This is a byproduct of rotary. Now, while it looks bad, this is easy to fix. But if you notice, we got rid of all the defects. So I'm gonna refine it, and I'll show you what it looks like after. And here's the end result, right? A quick refinement step, pulls out all the holograms, all the defects are gone. Looks great, that's what we want. Okay, so I refined the left side. If we look at the right side, this is holograms, right? So that's from the cutting step. And then the second step gets rid of it. Look at that. It's flawless. That's what we want, all right? This is okay. You just gotta finish it out, and then you get to this. So for the interior, my standard package is typically just a clean and condition, right? All hard surfaces, leather, right? The entire inside gets cleaned. I do offer Gyeon LeatherShield as a upgrade. So for this, you're just gonna use a microfiber applicator. I'm gonna drench it pretty good. Do 2 coats. It'll dry and everyone will be happy. So we'll do that on all the leather surfaces, door cards, etc. Should be good. Here's the passenger side. So I had the heat gun out. You post heat the edges. And there we go. So this thing's looking really good. Next steps are let's get the ceramic on the paint. It's Friday night. I don't think I'm gonna do that tonight. It's been a long week. But we'll do the ceramic tomorrow and get this thing closed out. We're almost there. Okay, we are done. We're gonna front run this weather coming in. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. So the owner's gonna come pick this thing up in probably about 2 hours or so. I think everything looks fantastic. I'm just gonna get some final shots of it. I'll show you what the final product is, and thanks for watching. Okay, so this thing has come a very long way since we first started. Basically sanding marks over the entire car. I'm attributing that to residual from the body shop. But the gloss is great. That's what we want. Clarity is where it should be. I try to show both, the direct light pictures as well as normal shots like this. Because in reality, unless the car is in direct sunlight, you're not gonna see it. Like, it's not fair to show with all these lights on. Wheel face is done.